Hey, welcome to Zebra AI. I'll show you the basics of getting started so you can build powerful AI-driven dashboards right here in Fabric and get deep insights from your data. First, add the Zebra AI workload. Once it loads, you'll land on the Zebra AI homepage where you can choose how to bring in your data, upload a file, connect to Power BI, or link directly to OneLake. For this example, I'll use OneLake. After you connect your data, Zebra AI automatically creates a dashboard with world-class IBCS visuals, surfacing the most important insights and relevant breakdowns. It summarizes its findings and provides actionable recommendations. You can also chat with your data. Type any question, like, "What are the root causes behind this change?" and get an in-depth answer with the right visualization to support it. That's Zebra AI for Fabric. Turn it on and watch your first dashboard build itself. Ready to try it out yourself?